I've always been told to love myself. I try, but I can never understand. It's hard.
Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Are you looking for a way to incorporate the many health benefits of turmeric into your diet and into your daily life? If so, I have just the beverage for you, and it's a turmeric latte, often lovingly called golden milk. But wait, could anything with latte in the title actually be healthy? In this case, it definitely is. The benefits of turmeric range from improving heart health to discouraging cancer. Turmeric also provides significant anti-inflammatory effects that can benefit such a wide variety of health concerns, since inflammation is at the root of most diseases. Turmeric is a relative of ginger and an absolute powerhouse when it comes to health. Turmeric contains a potent antioxidant called curcumin. Not only does curcumin give turmeric and a turmeric latte a bright color, it's also one of the reasons why turmeric is such a healthy spice. By consuming a turmeric latte on a regular basis, you can reap the many health benefits of turmeric. According to scientific research, turmeric may help some of these following health concerns: bacterial infections, cancer including breast, colon, prostate and skin cancer, eye inflammation, heart disease, indigestion, neurodegenerative conditions including Alzheimer's, Parkinson's disease and multiple sclerosis, osteoarthritis, stomach ulcers, and even viral infections. I love that golden milk not only makes it easy to incorporate turmeric into your diet regularly, but it's also a tasty hot beverage. You can have a turmeric latte in between meals as a snack, or you can have it as a post-dinner dessert, post-workout. The great thing about this latte is that you don't only get the benefits of turmeric, since every other ingredient in this recipe has beneficial properties as well, and it is keto friendly. Very low carbohydrates, no sugar in this particular drink. Now, I'm happy to say that making a turmeric latte does not require any barista training. It's truly a simple recipe that results in a deliciously flavored and seriously satisfying hot beverage. This is a latte that you can enjoy at any time of the day. It's dairy free thanks to the use of nut milk rather than cow's milk, and I really love having it at night when I'm winding down, because it also helps you to increase the dopamine in your system, which will create a better way of sleeping. Now, I'm going to show you how I make latte, the turmeric latte, but if you don't have a brewing machine or an espresso machine where you can froth up the milk, then over the saucepan is fine, and I'll also list the ingredients in the description box below. I hope you've stayed with me up until now, and we'll get to it. Interested to see how I make a turmeric keto latte? Please keep watching. So this is what you're going to need. You're going to obviously need some turmeric, coffee. Now you can have your coffee either brewed from an espresso machine or a French press, but certainly do not be using instant coffee. Some coconut milk, and I'll just tell you that the carbs in this is 1 gram per serving, and the sugars is 0.8. Like I said, anything under 5 grams is fine to use. And I'll be using some almond milk. Actually, I'm going to be using both. I'm going to do half and half. And there is sugar 0.5, carbs 1.5, and per 100 ml you're looking at less than 0.1 of the carbs and 0.6 of the sugars. So let's get started. Oh, and also you can put some cinnamon and vanilla essence in your drink, but that of course is optional. First of all, I switch on the machine, putting in the coffee. Now what you're going to have to do is put this coffee into a frother. Now if you don't have a frother, that's okay. You can do this over a saucepan. In a saucepan you can put your coffee, your coconut milk into a saucepan and then just gently boil it up. Now I'm going to put in some almond milk, and also I'm going to make it very luscious by using some coconut milk as well. You can add coconut oil to this, so I'm putting in the turmeric as well, and if you like you can also add some butter. So this is like a bulletproof latte, but the only difference is that with a bulletproof coffee obviously you don't have the turmeric in it. So now all I'm going to do is place it in the frother like so. And I'm going to put the lid on this, and then I shall turn this on and this will froth it up. So the frother has beeped, and now I'm about to pour my turmeric keto latte, and to this I'm just going to sprinkle some cinnamon on the top. This is a wonderful vegan and vegetarian friendly drink, gluten free, carb, keto friendly, absolutely delicious, very satiating. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching me make my keto friendly turmeric latte beverage, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.